Not everything you get into is all cut and dried. If given the same set of circumstances or situation, what would you do? We got a little bit of an issue here. If you come down to fishing, we're not going to be able to get on this boardwalk here over to the island. Well, you can get on it, but you're liable to go through it. We got a problem. I got some boards that are rotten. Really need to replace them all, but I don't have time for that. 5 feet wide. What I'm going to be about this morning, try to anyway, is get some white oak milled up, get some of these old boards replaced. What I'm thinking is, maybe wrong, a little bit of wane's not going to matter. I'll just put that on the downside. So I'm going to try to get as many as I can get out of this little log. That's fine. I got 7. This one here dove off. Now I'll put a shim under it, but that's fine. So all I need to do now is do a little installation, which is almost as fun as milling. Not quite, but close. Okay. Well, I didn't want to do it, but I mean, all of them's going to have to be replaced. Just no doubt about it. Cute little bird's nest here. Isn't that something? And of course, the fish think, I don't know if you can see them or not. Love to build, love to do stuff. The love is fade away a little bit right now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You know, we were just going to place some boards and all was going to be good. But after a little digging here, a little more investigating on down through there, this 2x8 is so rotten. And the 2x12s are rotten down about 4 or 5 inches. And to add more fun to the joy, we got see if I can dig them up there. We got tons of black ants. I guess we got some termites. I don't know. It doesn't matter because we got bigger issues than I thought. It'd be a total waste of time to put boards on that because you got nothing to nail to, and have to be careful not to fall in the pond. Of course, that water feels pretty good right now. So I'll bring you in when we get to plan B. I mean, it's not plan B, it's modification of plan A. That's what it is.